Hello, hi everybody. My name is Castelli. I'm a patient with Stargardt disease. I'm 27 years old and I live in Bronx, New York, America. And my condition with Stargardt was very brutal. I was diagnosed with Stargardt 2013, which is 2 years from now. And in America, I went to many doctors, and I went to see a lot of eye doctors, and all the doctors told me the same thing, that there's no cure, there's no treatment, that they don't have any positive result for me. So I was very depressed because of that. Then my sister, she went online and she did a lot of research, and through extensive research, she was able to find Dr. Usher FIRATLI, who's located in Turkey, in Istanbul. And within the same month that she found that information, we bought a plane ticket and we flew to Turkey to meet the doctor. So very friendly guy, amazing. Him and his wife, both of them are awesome people. And when we arrived at Turkey, we had somebody that is working for them to come pick us up from the airport to take us to our location. Yes. So when we get to a destination, a very safe country, and the next day we had to go to an hospital to get our eyes evaluated, to get my eyes evaluated and examined. We did a visual test so that we'll compare the test with the next test that we would take, that I would take after my treatment is over. So the first test, it wasn't too good, because I had a lot of area where my vision was very poor, which will be explained in the next video anyway. But then after we took the test, then the next day after we took the test, we went to the clinic to begin my treatment. And Dr. Usher FIRATLI is the doctor who specializes in electrical acupuncture. So we began our treatment the next day after I went to the hospital. And it was a 29 session, 2 months, close to 2 months that we spent in Turkey. And like I said, the country is very beautiful. People are amazing. And over there in New York, I never met anyone with Stargardt or RP. But at the clinic, I was able to see so many people from all over the world come to this clinic to find a solution, to find some sort of treatment for their eyes. And I was glad to be one of the person that was able to find a solution for my eyes. Because, like I said, over here, they do a miracle on people. So, I had to take 29 sessions of electrical acupuncture. The treatment went well because before I began my treatment, I was suffering from a lot of symptoms. For example, I could not be outside and stay in the sunlight because the sun was very sensitive to my eyes. It will hurt my eyes every time I'm outside. And when I'm watching TV, I would have to be like 3-4 feet in front of the TV in order for me to see the image or to recognize anybody's face. And that goes the same for me when I'm in my computer, because when I'm doing work on my computer, it was very hard for me to stay focused because, like I said, I was not able to see any writing or see any image in the computer. And my phone, again, was the same thing. Anybody with Stargardt will tell you the same thing, that they can't see too well and stay on your phone, reading through your phone or look at anything on your phone was very difficult for me. And but as I began my treatment and like to the middle of my treatment, I was starting to see, small improvement. I could see image more clearly. The colors were more brighter. I could stay on my phone and read through my phone at a certain distance. Like from before, it would be like maybe 4 inches, 5 inches. The phone had to be, close to my face. Like, that's how close it had to be, 3-4 inches to my face. But now it's more like maybe 7-8 inches. Even a foot, 12 inches. That I could actually do work in my phone, my laptop, and my vision has improved so much better. And anybody with Stargardt will tell you that it's very difficult for them to read a book, and I'm no different. It was hard for me to read a book. Before I began my treatment, whenever I'm reading a book, the book would have to be at least 3-4 inches to my face for me to read what I see. Now it's after I complete my treatment. Now I see myself. Actually, I've tested myself, and I could see that I could read a book from 6-7 inches, 8 inches, which is progress for me because that's not something that I was able to do, and I'm very thankful for that. And like I said, another thing that was bothering me was staying outside. I could never stay outside and enjoy the sunlight because my eyes would be burning. Now, after the treatment is over and I've completed the treatment, I could be outside and enjoy the sunlight. It doesn't bother me, it doesn't make my eyes sensitive, doesn't hurt my eyes at all, which I think is very, very helpful, and I have improved, dramatically. It has improved dramatically. My vision is better. So, and the people in the clinic, the doctors, and the patient over here, everybody is very friendly. Everybody come from all over the world just to find a solution for this monster, for this disease. And the doctor, FIRATLI, is a very nice person, very, very, very friendly. His wife is awesome. She's very friendly, and so there will be a second video that will explain the 2 tests, the previous tests that I take before I begin my treatment, and the second test that I took after I completed my treatment, and the results is amazing. Very big difference, dramatically. I didn't expect to see this, but it was. I'm proud. I'm happy because it's tremendous. It's awesome, and I feel different. I feel different. I feel better. I feel happy that I'm a part of this, and I will definitely recommend it to any patient with Stargardt or RP, to come here and give yourself a chance. That's all I have to say. Thank you.